Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got the brand new Boya Mini 2 wireless microphone kit. This is the very latest product from Boya that includes a long list of high-end features that I think you'll really care about in a package that's small enough to slide into your shirt pocket. So I'd like to start off with explaining exactly what this wireless microphone kit provides, and then I'll do a quick unboxing as well, just to show you everything that's included. I'll also take a closer look at the unit, and I'll explain the connections and indicators so you understand exactly how to use it. I'll do a quick demonstration to show you the type of professional audio that this product can provide, and then I'll come back one more time and point out some of the special features that the Mini 2 provides so you can use that to compare this to other products you may be considering. So let's talk about the product a little bit, because what Boya has built here is a professional, portable, easy to use recording device that you can use with your Android products, your Apple products, your computer, pretty much anything that can record audio through a USB-C or an Apple Lightning connection. But the best part about it, for me, is that it's tiny. And when I say tiny, here's the transmitter. Now look how small that is. It's almost impossible to see how small that is. It's as small as the top of my pinky. It weighs 5 grams. Now, if you're wondering, what else weighs 5 grams? Well, an average grape, a US nickel, a Ritz cracker. So to give you a feel for how small it is, think about those things for a second, and you'll have an idea. Now watch this. I clip it on my shirt, it almost disappears. And that's exactly what you want if you're creating a podcast or you're doing interviews. You don't want a big, clunky microphone on your shirt that everybody's looking at to be distracting. It's tiny. But don't let that small size fool you, because what Boya has done is improved almost every aspect of the transmitter and the receiver. So for example, the transmitters on a full charge will operate for up to 6 hours. And you can drop them back in the charging case, which has an internal battery, for a total of 30 hours to use the kit. The receivers are tiny and they plug directly into your device. So if you've got an Apple device like this phone, I've got the Apple adapter here, I plug it in the bottom, that's the receiver. The transmitter and the receiver are paired from the factory, so it's a plug-and-play operation where you can basically plug the receiver into your device, clip the transmitter on your shirt, and just start recording. Now I want to show you how small the entire package is, because both transmitters and one of the receivers fits inside the charging case, and that'll recharge everything. But here's a pretty common device. You guys are pretty familiar with this. It's a set of AirPods. It's the same size. So for me, this is tiny, and this includes 2 microphones and a receiver and a battery to recharge those devices. All right, so the product itself records professional audio. And what I mean by that is it has 24-bit audio. It also has an automatic limiter on it. So if you're interviewing somebody that tends to shout a little bit, it'll limit that top end to not distort the audio. You can also create a safety track which records at a lower volume, and that way when you get back to your editing bay and you start editing your footage, you're not going to have to worry about spiking and peaking and cutting off. Another thing it does really well is noise suppression. So it's got background noise suppression built in, which is extremely important if you're recording outside, because if you're out in the wind, that wind's going to whip past and it's going to interfere with your audio. So you can turn on that noise suppression in the background to really cut down on that background noise. And it's a professional level of noise reduction up to 40 decibels, which is pretty incredible. In addition to that, the unit is incredibly small. Like I'd mentioned, when you pack this up inside the case and drop it in your shirt pocket, it's almost like you forgot you brought it with you, but you've got a wireless microphone. It also includes 2 transmitters. Now, a lot of kits on the market have a single transmitter and a single receiver, which is great if you're doing something like a podcast or you're doing a vlog. But if you want to interview somebody or you have 2 people on camera, you've got 2 transmitters that send audio to 1 receiver for recording on that device, which is pretty incredible. All right, so let me do a quick unboxing next. So when you open up the box, there are a couple of different ways that this product is offered. So the basic kit will include 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, either a USB-C for Android devices, computers, action cameras, anything with a USB-C port on it that can record audio, you can use the one with the USB-C. If you have an older Apple product that uses the Lightning connector, there's a kit available with the Lightning, and then there's a kit that has everything that I've got in front of me. So it's the 2 transmitters, the case, and both receivers for both Android and Apple. And that might be a good move for you if you're an Apple fan, because you're using the Apple connector today. You may move to a newer version of whatever Apple device you've got, which will be USB-C, but the choice is yours. But in the kit, you'll get the charging case right there. You'll get 2 transmitters, which again, slide into the charging case. And the minute you plug them into the charging case, they start charging. You'll get one or both of the receiver modules, and again, those plug into the case. Close it up. It's incredibly tiny. They've also included a nice bag, which is a protection bag. And this is nice for two reasons. Number one, it protects the device, so it's got a really nice felt exterior on it. It's going to keep it from getting scratched up. But the other thing it does is it organizes everything, and I like that a lot. So if you've got the kit that has the two receivers, you can slide this in here, you can slide both receivers in here, and you can slide the charging cable in there as well. Now the case charges through a USB-C port on the bottom, and Boya was nice enough to give you a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Now this is pretty small, but that's okay. You can plug it into any standard wall charger, plug this in the bottom of the case, and you can charge it up very, very quickly. I think it's nice they've given you this. If you need a longer one, you probably have a USB-A to USB-C cable hanging around someplace. In addition to that, there are 3 manuals internally. You'll find one that you can use to register it. There's a safety guide, and then there's a quick start guide. But the one thing I want to point out about this, unlike a lot of other kits on the market that are going to take you an hour to figure out, this one is plug and play simple. And what I mean by that, again, is you've got a microphone, you've got a receiver, and you've got a device. So in my case, I've got an Apple device over here. Here's what it takes to get this working. You plug this into your device, you start your recording, put this on your shirt, make sure it's turned on, and just start talking. And the audio gets transmitted to the receiver, into the device, and record it. If you've got somebody else with you, pull out that second transmitter, pop it on their shirt, and you're going to get both of those conversations in one. One other thing I did want to point out, you'll notice this, it might be hard to see it on camera, but I'll show you a close-up in a minute. It's a different color. It's a lunar silver, which is a brand new style for them, and it is gorgeous. It's reflective. It looks like a spaceship almost there. They also offer it in a matte black. So if you're traditional and you want the matte black, go with that. But this one I really, really like. It's nice and slippery. Slide it in your pocket. I really like the look of that. But the choice is yours. They have 2 different color options for you to choose from. So now if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at the lunar silver and explain how to use the different devices and what the buttons and indicators do. And then I'll actually do a short demonstration to show you the quality of audio. I'll probably record it on the phone or maybe one of my action cameras. And then I'll come back and talk about a few features that I think you're going to really care about, because there are a lot of wireless microphone kits on the market. And after a while, they all start looking the same. But Boya is a company that's been in this market for a long time. They make a wide range of different wireless microphone products, and they really understand how to build these things. And for me, as an engineer, I'm sitting here thinking, how did you fit 24-bit audio, a safety track, a limiter, noise suppression, into a device that's the size of the tip of my pinky and make it quality like this that can record for up to 6 hours? It's almost like they took a larger microphone and hit it with a shrink ray. And you've got this tiny little microphone that performs like the bigger microphones, but isn't as big as those microphones. So again, completely unobtrusive on your shirt, almost disappears. Anyway, stay tuned next, and I'll take a closer look at it, and then I'll do that audio demonstration for you. The kit includes 2 transmitter modules, a charging case, and 1 or both of these receiver modules, depending on which option you pick. The receiver modules are really straightforward. You've got a connection on the one end that plugs into whatever device you'd like to record the audio on. So in this case, it's a USB-C port. So you can plug this into your phone, your tablet, your computer, whatever can record audio through the USB-C connection. And there's also an Apple one if you have an older Apple product. This is the Lightning connection there. That'll plug into your older Apple product. And on the bottom of both receivers, you'll see a blue button. That triggers the noise canceling, so you can turn that on by tapping the button or turn it off. Totally up to you. And then on the receivers, pretty straightforward as well. You've got a windscreen on the top that'll knock down some of the wind rushing past it. Clip on the back that you can clip it to your shirt. The one thing I do want to point out is on the bottom, when you receive the unit, there's a protection shield right here. Those 2 little pads are how you charge the microphone. And inside the case, there are pogo pins that stick up. So when these slide inside the case, those pogo pins make contact with those 2 pads and will charge the unit. So when you first get it, make sure you remove this piece of tape right there so you can charge the unit. On the side of this, you'll see another little button right there. It's hard to see it because it's black, but it's a little button labeled NR. That's for noise reduction. So you can turn noise reduction on the receiver or the transmitter end. Now, the charging case is pretty cool as well. On the bottom is a USB-C connection for charging it. You can plug this into any standard wall charger and fully charge the unit. Inside, you'll find 2 slots for the transmitters and 1 for the receiver. So if you're a fan of USB-C products, slide that in the middle. That'll start charging. And the same with both of these. Once you remove the tape, they're magnetically held into the case. You'll slide them in there, close the top, and it'll start charging those products. And again, this is so small that you could slide this into your shirt pocket, and I promise you, you're going to almost forget you have it with you. But when you need it, just open it up, clip this to your shirt, clip this or plug this into your device, and just start recording. So they've really done a great job of shrinking down the product, making it plug and play simple to operate without sacrificing the professional audio this product can provide. I hope that closer look was helpful, and now I'll do a short demonstration to show you the audio quality that this product can provide. And for this demonstration, I've set up my action camera right over here, and I've got the USB-C receiver plugged into the back of it. I'll pull a microphone out of the case and I'll clip it to my shirt. And then I'll hit record on my action camera. Now I'm testing the audio quality of the brand new Boya Mini 2 on my action camera, and I'll play that audio back for you in a second. Now I'm testing the audio quality of the brand new Boya Mini 2 on my action camera, and I'll play that audio back for you in a second. I also wanted to show you how you can use it with an Apple product, so I'll disconnect that receiver from the action camera, and I've got my iPhone right here. I'll plug the lightning connection in the bottom of that, and I'm using a standard recording program on this iPhone. So let me hit record. Now I'm recording audio on my iPhone, just to give you a feel for what that sounds like if you're using your iPhone to create your vlog, or you're out there creating videos on TikTok or whatever, and I'll play that back for you next. Now I'm recording audio on my iPhone, just to give you a feel for what that sounds like if you're using your iPhone to create your vlog, or you're out there creating videos on TikTok or whatever. So I think you'll agree the audio quality from that microphone to the receiver is pretty awesome. And one reason I like this kit so much is because of its small size and its ease of use. So many other kits on the market are complicated to set up. You've got to download drivers to get them working. You've got to pair them up every time you use them. With this one, I just showed you, you basically open up the charging case, you clip the transmitter to your shirt, you plug the receiver into whatever you're going to use to record the audio, and just start talking. It makes it so simple. It's small, it's portable, it's professional. And what Boya's done with the upgrade from the original Mini is they've introduced 24-bit audio, which is a professional quality audio. They built in a limiter on the microphone, so again, if you're interviewing somebody that talks really loud, it'll knock down on that high end so it doesn't overmodulate. They've also built in noise suppression, which is really important if you're working outside, because the wind's going to get you, noises around you are going to get you, and even if you're working in an office, people are crinkling papers and walking past making noise, so that noise cancellation is really important as well. I like the fact that they're incredibly tiny. They weigh as much as a grape, so they're hardly noticeable on your shirt. They'll last for 6 hours on a full charge, which is nice. Drop them back in the charging case when you're going between locations, or maybe you're done for the day, and they'll recharge inside the case. And you have the option of going with the USB-C or the Apple connector, so pretty much anything you're going to want to record audio on, the Boya Mini 2 is going to work great for you. So thanks an awful lot for watching. I hope you found value in this review, and until next time, as always, thanks for watching, and stay nerdy.